question number 11.11. Write the mechanism of hydration of ethene to yield ethanol. Now, in this reaction, H2SO4 is used as acid for the protonation. So, first of all, the acid is giving the proton, and that proton is taken by water. So, hydronium ion is formed. So, water is taking the proton, and by that hydronium ion, that is H3O plus is formed. So, in the first step, step 1, we can write 1. Protonation of ethene is taking place, and with that the formation of carbocation is there. So, first of all, ethene molecule we are taking. So, ethene molecule is CH2 double bond CH2. Now, this hydronium ion we have to write like H, O, H and H. And here oxygen is having the positive charge. Now, how the electrons are displaced, that we have to show in the mechanism. So this electron pair, which is forming a double bond here, is coming in between carbon and hydrogen. So by arrow we have to show this. This electron pair is coming in between carbon and hydrogen. And this electron pair, which is in between oxygen and hydrogen, is going back to oxygen. And by this, the compound which is formed is CH3, CH2, carbocation is formed. Carbocation is formed with water molecule. In the next step, that is step 2, nucleophilic attack of water molecule is taking place on carbocation. So we can write carbocation as CH3, CH2 plus and water molecule, that is oxygen, hydrogen and one hydrogen and the electrons of oxygen. And here how the electron transfer, that you are showing by arrow. So attack at this carbon, carbocation is taking place, and this attack is nucleophilic attack. And by this, the compound which is formed is CH3, CH2, then oxygen, hydrogen, and one hydrogen here, and this oxygen is giving the electron, so it should be positive. After this nucleophilic attack, we are coming to step 3, and that is the last step. So in the last step, deprotonation is taking place to form ethanol. So deprotonation of this compound, that is CH3, CH2, O, H, H, which is positively charged, formed in the step 2. Deprotonation, how it is taking place? Here again, the reaction is taking place with water molecule. So water is one hydrogen here, and two electron pairs are here, and this electron pair is forming bond in between. It is forming bond in between oxygen and hydrogen. And this bond between oxygen and hydrogen will be no more here, and the electron is given to oxygen. And by this, we are getting the final compound, that is ethanol. So CH3, CH2, OH, and hydronium ion, H3O plus is formed. So this is how in 3 steps the reaction is taking place.